your drone, which is a D10 quadcopter.
It can't record anything, and we charged both of its batteries, and it only needs one.
It lasts for like, what, 10 minutes? Alright, and then are you gonna also fly the Mavic Air 2?
Maybe.
Maybe. Air 2 out. Let's do this.
Anyway, it has crashed twice before, and yes, I did count how many times I crashed it, but that's why that's.
Alright, what is this, just the front of it?
Yeah, I guess that's the eye. It's the eye. I like driving it like this, facing away from me, because it's easier, but you can fly it anyway, you can turn it. I'm gonna go over the controls. So this is left. So this is basically like forward, left, or right, and backward. So forward, left, right, backward. This is up and down. And then these are to turn it. So and you can press this, the 3D flip button, and then your drone will go like this.
Do like an actual flip?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, do we want to go ahead and put the battery on and get it going? We're going to do the Mavic drone. I'm going to put it up, I'm going to do all the safety stuff, and then I'm going to handle the sticks. We're obviously not going to fly over people or anything crazy.
Also, the camera thinks that everything's really bright. Who else agrees with that statement? Yay! Oh, we can't see it.
Put it straight up.
It's so tiny. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, let's bring it down.
Oh, sounds like a wasp.
I'm going to fling it, flip it to you so I can see you.
Hi.
Alright, then I'm going to turn it.
Goodbye, Mr. Drone. It's so high I can't get it with the camera.
Alright, now if you want to switch.
Okay, you can take your camera back.
Now,
Whoa.
that's the altitude.
Where are we?
Where? Come here, look. Look up in the sky. Can you see it?
No,
Look way up there.
it's too high. Scroll wheel.
This one on the left side. And to go away from any traffic or people. So we want to turn it this way. And then just get it up a little higher. And then use this to go forward. And now It shows you how far out you are, 100 feet, and just keep going forward. All right, we're coming.
I like it.
Sit down here.
Oops. That's no. Up.
Yeah, definitely don't mess with the altitude. What is the altitude at right now? What does that say? I can't see.
232.
Okay, let's get it up to about there. 300 now.
Oh, that's 321.
It's all right. 400 is the limit. You can't go above that. So use this to don't mess with that other than to go left or right for your eyes, and then use this to go forward and back. And fly over the grassy areas.
I want to see what up looks like all the way up. Is that how high I can go?
Yeah, the gimbal won't allow it to go all the way up.
Does it just go no? What happens when you do it? Does
It'll
it just
stop.
fall off?
No, it'll just stop. Like right there, it stops at a 90 degree, which is straight down. And where that H is, that home button. So it'll say the home point has been updated. Keep going, don't be afraid.
Okay.
Don't be scared. This thing can go like thousands of feet. We just need to maintain line of sight, which I can see it. Keep it straight. You can see all this cool terrain. It's cool, right? And see how the wind doesn't affect it?
That's a bunch of traffic people.
Now we got 62% on the battery, so we want to be mindful of that because these things their battery life is short. But we're good, so you can put it out a little longer if you want. Is that a pond?
Yeah, there's a bunch of little ponds.
Fly up to that pond.
Okay. I mean, there's a little pond right there. See?
Yeah.
All right, let's go back home.
Do you want to take a picture?
Yeah, let's take a picture of the pond.
All right. Insufficient storage, shooting stopped, delete, flip, change SD card, or switch shooting modes. Let me see something.
We left the SD card, I think?
Yeah, we left the SD card, but we still got to fly it somewhat, which was fun, right?
We got
like
two videos.
Like 2 minutes of footage. So what did you think flying the drone though? Now it's returning to home.
I mean, it was cool.
It was cool?
All I could, this was a weird area because all you could see was like grass and stuff.
Look up there, you can see it's going to come automatically to the exact place where it flew, like took off from. All right, hold this. I'm going to cancel return to home. I don't use the return to home feature that often.
Can I turn this around so I can see?
Yeah. And then when you get a little more comfortable with it, you can do what's called a hand launch and a hand grab. So we don't get, remember how your thing got hit with all those, with the grass and whatnot?
Yeah.
Sometimes you land it.
Jeez, Daddy, it's really bright.
By hand catching.
I gotta go in the shade.
So look, watch this.
You're gonna have to edit this a lot.